Hi everyone, I'm just going to show you how to latch hook. Latch hooking is a simple, easy hobby because there's just one method. Unlike knitting, knitting has so many different patterns and everything you gotta do. But with latch hook, there's just one method, and that is, this is your latch hook here. No, if it's clear in the video. So that has a little latch. It closes and then it can open. So these are pre-cut yarn here that you get. I prefer this because that's easier. Saves a lot of time, of course. And so what happens is that the yarn has to go around the hook here and come through the hoop, like wind it towards one side, and then the latch will close, and then we gotta tug at it. So I'm going to show you how to do that in the easy method. So I'm a pretty lazy person, and I don't like to set up a table. Sorry, that's my daughter there who's helping me with the video. And yes, of course, I don't like to set up a table or anything because I have little ones and they're going to mess that up in no time.
Hey, I'm not little, I'm 8 years old.
Well, okay.
Noah's 3.
So here, I'm going to show you an easy method. So I'm right-handed. So put your yarn around the hook and hold the yarn with your pointer. Okay, so with the same hand. And now lift your canvas. So put your hook through your canvas until the latch comes out. See how it clicked up? Now hold your yarn, open up the hook, and wind your yarn through this way. Close the latch. And just pull the yarn out. Just give it a little pull after. So that's how you can do it. I'm going to show you again. So you got to first put the yarn around the hook. Hold it with your index or pointer finger. Push the hook underneath your canvas until the latch, you see the latch here, it's going to come out there. And now with your yarn, bring your yarn around the latch so that it goes through the hook there. So now you see it is inside and the latch has closed. And now you're going to pull the yarn and see both the ends will just come out. And that's it. Just give it a little tug, just tighten it, and that's it. Okay, so hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you can get at latch hooking. It's a pretty simple, easy hobby that you can get interested in. And this is also something that your little girl can try. Okay, thank you.
Bye.